Hello, it's William from Webbers in Barnstaple, and on this glorious summer's day I have a signature home which is well presented throughout, with outstanding views over the River Taw and countryside waiting for you to sit back and enjoy. This is Lane End House, a detached home in Stickle Path offering 6 bedrooms, a double garage and gated driveway parking. With far-reaching views from inside the home and situated on approximately 1/3 of an acre plot, this home offers so much potential to the right buyer. I do hope you've enjoyed the video, and please contact Webbers in Barnstaple on the number below for more information and to book your viewing. Thank you.